Want to add extra security to your Roblox account by generating backup codes? Here's how to do it. First, open the Roblox app and make sure you're logged in. Then, tap More in the bottom right corner, then go to Settings. Select Security, then find Authenticator app under two-step verification and turn it on. Tap Verify and complete the security check by following the on-screen instructions. After verification, Roblox will provide the setup key. Copy this key and open your Authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. On your Authenticator app, enter the setup key or paste it and add the account. Now it will give you 6-digit code, copy it, and go back to Roblox and enter that 6-digit code shown in your Authenticator app. Then tap Verify. Once completed, Roblox will show your backup codes. Save these codes somewhere safe, such as Password Manager or Secure Notes app. That's it. You already got now the backup codes for your Roblox account. If this guide helped you, like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials.